for you all. I hope you had a good sleep and you all are fresh. Okay? Yes. I hope all of you are fine too. Right? Okay. Now, shall we do an action song? I want all of you to stand up. Stand up. Okay? Yes. Shall we do an action song? I'll show you first and you can follow after me. Okay? Yes. 1, 2, 3. Let's start. Clap your hands, clap your hands, clap them just like me. Touch your shoulders, touch them just like me. Shake your head, shake them just like me. Stomp your feet, stomp them just like me. Clap your hands, now let them quiet be. Did you all listen to it? Shall we do it once together? Okay, let's start. Clap your hands, clap them just like me. Touch your shoulders, touch yours just like me. Shake your head, shake it just like me. Stomp your feet, stomp them just like me. Clap your hands, now let them quiet be. Let them quiet be, you just put it down, okay? And stomp your feet, you just march left and right. Just stamp your feet on the ground. Did you all like the song? Yes, did you all do it with me? I hope you all did it with me. Very good, children. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you a small story. Okay, do you want to listen to a story? Today we are going to do only a story. Okay. Yes, it's about a camel and a jackal. Have you all heard the story about a camel and a jackal? I'll tell you. Okay? Now let's see who is a camel. Have you seen a camel? Have you seen a camel? Yeah, the camels are tall animals. They have long neck. They have long, strong legs. They've got a hump on their back, where they have a big hump. Yes, this is the camel. See the camel? The camel's got long neck, very long neck. Then we've got long, strong legs. See, we've got 4 strong legs. And look at the hump. All camels have humps. Okay? Yeah. This is a camel. Right? Okay. Now I'll show you the jackal. Jackals look like dogs, but they are in the dog family, but not a dog. They look like dogs. Jackal looks like a dog, but it's not a dog. We can see jackals only in the forest. Okay? Yes, now let's start the story. We're going to see the story about camel and the jackal. Yes. Now, one day there was a camel and a jackal. They were good friends. The jackal was talking and talking. He said, "My dear friend camel, I'm very hungry. Shall we go eat something?" So the camel said, "Okay, what shall we eat when I'm hungry?" So the jackal said, "See, we have to cross the river. There is a river. We'll cross it, and across the river there is a sugarcane farm." Okay? What is a sugarcane? We say karimba in Malayalam. Okay? So have you had karimba juice? Yeah, karimba. It's a karimba farm. It's a sugarcane farm. So the camel said, "Wow, it's a good idea. Let's go and eat some sugarcane." So the jackal said, "But my dear friend, I don't know to swim. I don't know swimming. How will I cross the river?" So the camel said, "But don't worry, my friend. I have long legs You sit on my back and we shall cross the river. Okay? So the jackal agreed and sat on the back. He sat on the back of the camel, and the camel walked and walked and walked. They crossed the river and went to the sugarcane farm. And then what happened? They started eating and eating. Yeah, there was lots of sugarcane and they were eating and eating. See how they crossed the river? Yeah, jackal sat on a camel. They crossed the river and now they started eating the sugarcane. See the sugarcane? Yeah. Yum, yum, yum. They started eating fast because they both like sugarcane. Right? And they all ate. Both of them ate fast. And then what happened? Suddenly, the jackal's stomach became full. I'm full, my friend camel. I ate so much of sugarcane. And the camel said, please wait, my friend. I have a big tummy. My stomach is very big. I have some more space in my stomach. Let me eat something. Some more. Okay? Yeah. So then they were eating and eating. And then suddenly what happened? The jackal started howling. How does a jackal howl? See the jackal howling. Jackal was howling. How does the jackal sound? Have you heard the jackal howling? It goes, oh, started howling. The jackal looks up and then howls. See, like this. When his stomach is full, the jackal howls. And then the camel was like, please friend, don't shout, don't make your noise, howling noise. Let me eat some more, I'm hungry. So the jackal said, I'm sorry, my friend. I'm very sorry. My stomach is full. When my stomach is full, I would like to howl. So then the camel said, if you keep making noise, the farmers will come. They'll come and hit us. So what will we do? They'll come and hit us. So we will get hurt. Yeah. And then what happened? The camel just looked around and saw the farmers were coming. Jackal gave a good speed and he ran away. He took a full speed, he ran away and hid under the bushes. This camel, poor thing, he could not run fast because he's got long legs. And all the farmers came. They started. See, the farmer has a stick. He's hitting the camel, is crying. See, jackal is running away. The camel gets beaten up. Camel it അടിച്ച് camel വേദന എടുത്തിട്ട് ഓടുക കരഞ്ഞോണ്ട് ഓടുക. Camel is crying and running away. And then what happened? Then he thought, what a friend I have. He's not next to me. I told him not to howl, and see, I got all the beatings from the farmers. Okay? So the camel thought, yes, I have an idea. Let me teach him a lesson. Okay? What did the camel do? As usual, he took jackal on the camel's back and they were crossing the river. Okay? So, as usual, when they were crossing, see, they were crossing the river to go back to their houses. Right? Okay. So now when they were crossing the river, jackal doesn't know swimming. So the camel had an idea. What did the camel do? The camel went in the middle of the river and it just shook like this. What did the camel do? Camel shook like this. So the jackal said, hey, what are you doing, man? I don't know to swim. Don't do like that, my friend. So the camel said, when my stomach is full, I want to shake and go inside the water. Take a deep dip in the water in the middle of the river. See? And then what happened? The jackal with a big thud. He fell in the river. See? The jackal fell in the river. Look at the camel smiling. Can you all see the camel smiling? Yeah. The camel taught him a lesson. Okay? What happened? The jackal started crying. I'm sorry, my friend. I'm very sorry. Now I know my mistake. I will not hurt you anymore. I realize my mistake. I'm very sorry, my friend. Okay? And then the camel said, see, never hurt anybody. It will come back to you. Never hurt anybody. You will get hurt from somebody else. Okay? Yes. The moral of the story is don't hurt anybody. Okay, children? I know you're all my good children. Okay? Did you all understand the story? If you didn't understand, tell your mama or dada to explain it to you, to show you once more. Okay? I'm going to show you the video of the story, so then you will be able to understand what the story is. Okay? You can see the picture and what is happening with the camel and the jackal. Okay? Now let's see the video. Okay?
The Camel and the Jackal. Once upon a time, in the jungle, there lived a camel and the jackal together. They became good friends. Sometimes they used to walk along the jungle in search of food. One day, they saw ripe sugarcane fields on the other side of the river. They came with a plan to cross the river and enjoy the sugar canes. But the jackal does not know how to swim. So, the jackal insists the camel to carry him on his back. Camel agreed with his friend Jackal. The camel carried his friend Jackal on his back and set off towards the river. Crossing the river, they entered the sugarcane field and began to eat. Soon, Jackal was done with his food. He was too satisfied, but Camel was still eating. All of a sudden, the Jackal began to howl loudly. The Camel asked him not to do so. It will lead to seek attention of the farmers. But the Jackal said that it was his habit to howl after meals. Very soon, all the farmers reached the spot with long sticks. The Jackal ran for his life and hid behind the bushes and left the Camel alone. The Camel was held and badly beaten up by the farmers. While going back, the Jackal requested the Camel to take him across the river. The Camel agreed to do so, since he wanted to take revenge upon the Jackal and teach him a lesson. In the mid-water, Camel took a deliberate dip in the river. The Jackal told him not to do so, but the Camel said that it was his habit to do so after meals. As a result, the Jackal slipped off the Camel's back and fell into the deep water. He was thrown away. Now, the Jackal had to pay for his mischievousness. Moral: as you sow, so shall you reap.
And now, let's wind up. Shall we see in my next video what new story I'm going to teach or I'm going to narrate to you? Okay, all of you be ready for my next class. See you, dear children. Bye. Have a nice day.